Hey y'all. So let's talk about tuberose, but let's talk about spicy tuberose. Let's talk about particularly spicy ginger tuberoses. I have 3 for my collection that have a little difference on each one, but if you love a good ginger tuberose, you might want to try these. And I know I can guarantee one of these y'all already have. The first one I'm going to show you is by Mugler. This is Alien Fusion. This is a flanker of Alien. However, it does not have any jasmine in it because, of course, we know that jasmine is the notes of Alien. However, this is tuberose and orange blossom, and it starts out with cinnamon and ginger. This is a spicy white floral, specifically tuberose, and then as it dries down, it has amber and vanilla. Now, here's the thing about this one. Even though it comes off really super spicy in the beginning, and it does, the cinnamon and ginger are giving it a really good spiciness. However, as it dries down, this becomes a more lighter, fresher tuberose, ginger tuberose. So this one of the 3 is the lightest version of a ginger tuberose. So if you like gingery tuberoses, but some of them are too intense, this would be perfect to get. And I'm just telling y'all now, it is on Jomashop for $79.99. And this has not been available in a couple of years. Go to my link tree and hit my Jomashop link so you can get this Alien Fusion because it might not be around for much longer. All right, next up is this beauty. If you don't know about L'Entrée Rouge, I don't know where you've been, because this beauty, honey, she is perennially considered one of the sexiest date night fragrances you can get. Interestingly enough, this and Alien Fusion are both Dominique Ropillon masterpieces. Now, he did work with other perfumers, but he is definitely one of the perfumers for both of these fragrances. Now, we all know this is ginger and blood orange, tuberose, jasmine. Listen, if you have not smelled L'Entrée Rouge, I need you to go to the store and try it out. And for everybody who has, you know, this beautiful ginger, sexy vibe. You know, I don't even have to say anything else. L'Entrée Rouge. All right, the last one is this beauty. This is Ruby Red by the House of Oud. Now, the interesting thing about this is that this is ginger, and this is a tuberose ginger, and it is ginger on every level of the fragrance. So it has on the top note, the mid, and at the base, it has candy ginger. So you're gonna get that sweet spiciness from the ginger on every level, and then you get the beautiful tuberose. It has musk in it and vanilla. So I always say, if you have L'Entrée Rouge, you don't need them both. However, if you are somebody like me and wants and loves tuberose and loves that gingery vibe, you might want to get Ruby Red because it takes that level, that ginger to a different level. It's super spicy. It has a little bit of tangerine in it, so it is giving you similar vibes as L'Entrée Rouge with that addition of the tangerine to give it a citrusy vibe. But the ginger is more intense. It is throughout the whole thing, and then at the end you get this gingered white floral vanilla. So this is Ruby Red by the House of Oud. All right, let me know if you have these, which ones you're interested in. Go ahead, put it in the comments. Let's have a little conversation. All right, y'all. Have a great day. Talk to you later.